Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today is Thursday, October 5th, 2023. It is 12:58 and 2 seconds, p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, bioprinted skin. So let's hop to it here. New wound healing research produces full thickness of human bioprinted skin. Date October 4th, 2023. Source: Atrium Health, Wake Forest Baptist. The scientific investigators of research article presents a significant breakthrough in the area of skin regeneration and wound healing. The skin regeneration has long been studied with hopes of providing burn victims, wounded warriors, and those with skin disorders opportunities and complete healing. Available grafts are often temporary, or if permanent, have only some of the elements of normal skin, which often have a scarred appearance. The creation of full, thickness skin has not been possible to date. The study involved in the bioprinting of all 6 major primary human cell types present in skin combined with specialized hydrogels as a bioweight, multiple layer full thickness skin was created, which contained all 3 layers present in normal human tissue: epidermis, dermis, and hypodermis. When transplanted in preclinical settings, the bioprinted skin formed blood vessels, skin patterns, and normal tissue formation. Additional harms of the study demonstrated improved wound closure, reduced skin contraction, and more collagen production to reduce scarring. As comprehensive skin healing is a significant clinical challenge affecting millions of individuals worldwide with limited options, these results show that the creation of full-thickness, human bioengineered skin is possible and promotes quicker healing and more naturally appearing outcomes. And by leveraging existing bioprinting technology to address these limitations, the team has proven that fully functional skin regeneration is possible. The bioengineered skin grafts offer a triple layer structure for full thickness wound coverage. And this is the Professor of Space Technology, Advanced Physics, Mathematics, Computer Science, and Leader of Research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.